now we're on the way to the airport. Hello. Here is busy. That machine. We're currently finding this shop for J Tiger. It's this new boat noodle place that his name is Paul. Call open. New brand. I think it's got like 6 brands under him. We're gonna try and look for it, and then try his food. It's like full. There's a lot of customers. Even for hot like 230, 240, about $8. See,
You think we just have to walk around?
alright, it's funny.
Could be around here.
Yo, Shinoya is here. Shopping mall is huge. Oh, is that it? Is that it?
No.
Okay. I don't know why that looks very familiar.
It's his son.
We found the place, finally. Pretty affordable. Very
used to. This is also belong to Central.
Here it's busy. 70 baht. Okay. Like restaurants. Is it because people are looking to spend less?
Yes.
Oh, so now they're tightening their belt for the finances. Okay.
I can see this from lately markets that will spend less.
Oh.
And this is more like everyday food.
Yep. Even Japanese food, sushi,
Yeah.
different cuisine as well in a food court.
Yeah.
Wow, so busy.
But GG in this area is also very high. Like you say,
40%.
35 to 40.
Okay. That's too high.
200.
Yeah, too high.
Food courts they have. I think they try to offer a higher GP rates. And I think it doesn't make sense.
The court is run by Central. It's not as busy compared to downstairs.
Okay. So you see, it's not every food court perform.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so usually how much can I expect this to be in a normal place? 50 baht. Oh, okay.
This is charged about 35 to 40.
GP?
Yeah. That's why they sell this price.
Oh.
The Juno look!
Now
Now we are on the way to the airport. My friend from Singapore, the one that runs a hot pot, I told him about Paul's restaurant and the stuff we're doing here in Thailand, like opportunities and stuff. So she is coming with her team, her management team, to see the location, see the market, and then just have a, and also I think for their own holiday as well. So yeah, we are on the way to the airport. Alright, so now we are at the airport, and Vicky is supposed to be here with Hannah. They run like this shop called Falafel Call and Feng something, but hot pot. So they're like they're super good at doing business for Chinese food. And hello. How was the flight?
Very cold.
Hannah and then Vicky.
Hello.
Okay, it's okay. Alrighty. We're here. Dinner first. And then we'll send you to the hotel. So we are here again at Tonwa. So we're showing them a building that
This is a co-working space and hotel. Usually over here is a lot of office. Now we're exploring the building for one of the Chinese Canadian island origin.
hopefully nothing can happen. You see, I work so hard now. Vicky, you see? I'm trying to be a YouTuber. You think can?
Yeah.
Oh, why?
New
Why you try?
concept for the. I show you the hot pot entrance with what building is building. So. 所以如果是我是很 angry for this，
I should angry for this.
如果是我的，我可能只会一个风格，所以 yeah it depends。你为什么要去北京？
我 next week 下个星期我去北京，然后我去成都，这么
OK
我开车坐飞机对吗？
坐飞机。
坐飞机 offline， OK，
听起来
因为
大 OK，
中国是很大
很大，对。
，OK。
然后你我就叫我的朋友带你去看。
No, Paul didn't want to go, and then now he get 100K. Take my money.
挺漂亮的。
啊，
100K just our restaurant
3天够吗？3天。
bigger than it depends。菜品很近，但是我觉得不太够，我 can't。
OK。
成都 then 重庆
是
is nearby。
Okay.
The building that Paul is looking at. And then Paul's like, 100K, just take my money. They is so cheap to like do a design for the entire building. But but that's a China style, so something very fruitful. So we just finished our meeting for the chicken OEM supplier, and it seems like their MOQ is like 40 feet, 20 feet container. But they can do like R&D, they can do things for us, cooking for us.
MIT ใกล้ๆ MIT หัวหมาก
Quite interesting is that in Thailand, most of the exports are like ready to cook, so like finished products. Not so much on fresh frozen. It seems like every country in the world takes like Brazil's fresh frozen, and then what Thailand's good for is like the finished products, especially for chicken. It's very interesting the way Thailand operates. So now we're gonna go and eat some MD chicken noodles, and then just have a relaxed time before my flight back to Singapore.
Okay, so now I'm at the airport. Oh, I feel bad about Paul's chicken noodle. We're gonna be putting it on the ground. Anyways, I've had a very fruitful time. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
เดี๋ยวไปส่งเพื่อนก่อนนะครับรองเท้านี่นะครับ
Paul, thank you for a really good trip.
Yeah.
Alright. And a lot of fun times with Paul. Next time, next time, yes, fruitful. Next time, Paul should not be so tired.
Yeah.
Right, Paul?
Yeah.
Up his stamina. I'll be coming back next month to see if there's actually potential well, for our friends for the quarry, and also like for us to hopefully find more locations and then see the progress. So I think expanding overseas always takes time. Something that we have to be a bit more patient with. So yeah, something we don't want to really rush into as well. So amazing, and yes, we have a little bit of drinks to do. So take it. But there's no. Okay. Oh, okay. The machine. Oh, come. Okay, so there's no queue, luckily for us. Or like the Singapore Airlines. Ooh, let me print the ticket. I'm a bit late to the plane. I think boarding time's like 7:10. Now it's at now we're already at 7 o'clock for 10 minutes. So let me see. Okay, I'll copy it. My boy Paul is tired. Hey.
Very nice trip.
Feels like I'm being a tourist, you know?
Oh yeah. Singapore Airlines. Let's go.
We got our ticket. Ooh. Yes, I have a red passport, even though I'm Korean, because I've changed my nationality ever since I finished. Is it there? Okay. Ever since I finished my MS in Singapore. So yeah, that's the reason why it's a red passport. It's my first time going to the airport. Kinda drunk. So I'm looking for D4, D6. Wait, hold. D6. Oh. Oh my god. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. But yeah, I'm gonna have a wild time in the airport. I mean, the plane, I'm just gonna, you know. But yeah. Okay. Anyway, so the summary of this trip would be that Thai market wants something more snack food. They want to work with each other. They want something that's affordable, something that's Instagrammable, something that's special for them to kind of like post on Instagram or post on Facebook, like that. Like, it's like a wow factor, right? Which you don't really get that in Singapore. Yeah. So I think we have to kind of like think about maybe like something we need to conceptualize so that it's more Instagrammable. Maybe we have to care more about the plating than usual, because JIN Kimchi in Singapore doesn't really care about plating on. I mean, it's not like our main priority. We care more for like, you know, price to value ratio, being like authentic Korean food for being very affordable. Whereas I think in Thailand you have to be affordable to begin with, if not you can't compete. And then on top of that you have to be special. You have to be that wow factor that people go like, ooh, you've been there, like that's a really nice place, like I really want to show my friends. So these two things are there, and like I just reached the airport. Not gonna miss the flight. Not gonna miss the flight. But the flight seems pretty empty actually. I'm not sure if I can show you guys, but let me see. I don't think they started boarding yet. Only the gate has opened. But this is all the passengers for this flight, which is not that many. So I guess I can have an easy and more leg room, hopefully.